Hi, I'm Michelle, and welcome to another episode of In a Rush. In this video, we're going to show you how to customize your eStore's look. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. With the design module, it's easy to give your eStore your own touch. Simply head to the design module of the CMS. To set how your eStore will look on your apps, go to the App tab. Click Create and use the Mockup Creator to see all your edits. Add your logo, select your background color, upload your background image, and choose the button color and text appearance. Once done, click Publish. To design your web store, go to the Web tab. Click Create and use the Mockup Creator to see all your edits. Add your logo, set the button and footer color and text appearance, and once done, click Publish. To set your eStore's banner image, go to the eStore Banner tab and click Create and use the Mockup Creator to see all your edits. Add the banner title, upload images for each channel, set publish date and duration, add a redirect link, and click Publish. Designing your store surely was easy. This has been Michelle, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.